Can you close my door, please? Okay, thank you. Thank you. They're bothering me. They're fucking bothering me.
Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me.
Hey guys, it's Chantel Unique and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm back with another video. Whoa. I gotta get my intro right because this is my first video on this channel. So today I'm doing my first video on this channel, and this channel is gonna consist of makeup, tutorials, clothing hauls, beauty, hair, all types of stuff, you know. So if you guys are interested in looking at this video or interested in this channel, go ahead and subscribe, push the notification bell so you can always stay notified whenever I post a video. Make sure you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, comment down below if you guys think you guys like this look, any tips, any tricks, you know, anything like that. I really would appreciate it. And let's get right into this video. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows, and I'm going to be just blending out my concealer. And I put concealer as an eyeshadow base for my eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Airsprun setting powder and I'm going to set my eyelids. So now I'll be taking a brush to wipe the setting powder from underneath my eyes, and I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow palette was so hard to open, but I finally got it. So I'm going to be taking a lighter color to warm up my eye. And the trick is to always start off with the lighter color so it'll blend well if you're doing a darker color. And you're going to see that I'm just going to be going to lighter to darker to darker to darker to darker, pretty much. In this video, I'm using the Beauty Tarts Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette, and I got this palette from my mall. So I'm not sure where you can find these palettes at, but it's really nice palette. It's very pigmented, and I really love it. This color that I have on my eye is kind of like an orange tone color, or orange reddish tone, but it comes off looking like it's pink on camera. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a different brush, and this is like a straight brush. The other brush was an angled brush, and this is just for my crease. So I'm putting in a brownish color in my crease so I can darken it up. Like I said, start off with a lighter color and then go into a darker color so it can look really nice and blend very well. So I'm taking that darker color, putting it in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take this NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to just make a cut crease with this. It's going to be a half cut crease. Sorry for the lighting here.
highly recommend this eyeshadow base pencil because it's so much easier to do a cut crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a flat brush to put my eyeshadow over my cut crease. And this is just like a lighter pink, a shimmer pink. Okay, so now I'm going to go into that same color that we went on the lid, and it's going to be blending that all out. I don't know why I paused like that, my bad. It's early in the morning, I'm trying to get this done. So I just wanted to darken it up a little bit so it won't be so orange toned. So I'm putting a brown color. Okay, now now I'm just blending it all out, and I'm putting that same pink shimmer shade on top of the brown, and now I'm just applying eyeliner. And the eyeliner that I'm using, I just got it from my beauty supply. It was not expensive at all. That's why I like shopping at my beauty supply, because it's never expensive. Applying eyeliner takes so long for me, like it has to be perfect. It's not perfect. I don't know. I gotta make it perfect. Okay, so after that, my lashes. Boom. Okay, so now I'm gonna just put some mascara on, and then we can get started on this face, honey. Let me know if you guys like these lashes. These are from Kiss, and I'm gonna be putting some oil on my skin. I use this oil because I have really dry skin, and this really works for my skin. If you guys have dry skin, this oil is so good. This is called the African Royal oil. It's like a hot 6 oil. It's for a lot of things. You can use it for your face, skin, anything. Okay, so now I'm just applying my foundation. And I'm just taking, this is not a foundation brush, it's just like a kabuki brush. And I'm just going to blend out my foundation with this brush. And if you guys didn't see, I'm using the Nars foundation. I don't know what color I am, but I'll probably leave it down in the description below if you guys are wondering. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes, my nose, my chin, my forehead, and everywhere I need concealer pretty much. And this is also my favorite concealer because it's full coverage and it's buildable. Only thing that that's a con about this concealer is that it's very liquidy, so it takes a while for it to blend, or you have to let it dry to blend as even as you want it to. Here I'm talking to my dad because he walked in my room while I'm doing my video. And throughout this video, if I sound kind of weird, like I'm kind of sick and my nose is stopped up and I'm sneezing, like I'm sorry for how my voice sounds, but yeah. So now I just blend it out with my beauty blender. Honestly, you can use any side of your beauty blender, it doesn't matter. And you want to make sure you're blending it out as good as you can, because you do not want to see where your concealer stops or anything like that. I am really chewing this gum. Oh my god. I look ghetto. But my dad just kept coming in my room. Okay, so now here's the Black Radiance contour palette. This is my first time using this. So my first time using it, it was kind of chalky. So like a lot of powder came off when I rubbed my brush on it. And when I applied it to my face, it was kind of dark, but it was definitely blendable. I'm sorry, I just like stuttered so much. But also this palette comes with the contour palette comes with the little brush, but I didn't like how the brush looked or felt. It was really like synthetic and hard. So I'm just contouring my face. And now I'm going to be taking my Airsprun setting powder, the same powder I used earlier, and just set my under eye and my everywhere basically I put concealer. And I'm going to be brushing it off with that same brush I used earlier. And this is my blush palette. I'm sorry for the way it looks, but I've had this palette for years. I'm just taking a kind of pink / brown shade, and I'm going to be putting blush on my cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to be highlighting, and the highlighter I'm using is by Sephora, the Golden Hour one. Yeah, I'm just going to be highlighting. I'm using an angled blush brush, even though I'm supposed to use this for blush, but I use it for highlight. Oh well. It's just easier for me. I'm gonna just be highlighting everywhere I need to be highlighting. Okay, so next I have the Kiss lip liner, and it's in the color dark brown. I'm just gonna be lining my lips with this. If you guys hear like birds in the background, it's because like the birds are chirping like hella hard outside. But yeah. Like I love this part of my makeup, like lining my lips. Like look how it looks so good. Okay, so right here I'm going to put like lines to make it more brown with my lip. And now I'm going to be putting some lip gloss, and this is just clear lip gloss that I got from my beauty supply. And boom, it's a look. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this eyeliner and I'm going to draw on my beauty mark, because I covered it up with my makeup. And yeah. So that was the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did recording it for you guys. Leave some comments down below what you guys think about this makeup look, anything that you guys think I should try new, any tips and tricks. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and push the notification bell so you can always get notified whenever I post a video. And also go do the same to my other channel, which I said something about earlier in this video. Link will be in the description below. And
that's it for this video. I don't know what's going on with me. I really don't understand what's going on with me. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time, and bye. You guys meet my new puppy. I love him. But yeah, I just want you guys to show you guys my new dog. I just got him today. Come on. Come on. I woke him up from his nap, so he like, leave me alone. I'm sorry, honey. He like, why you put me in front of all these lights? Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so cute. I'm gonna make you famous. You're gonna be in every one of my videos, honey. Look, did you see him? He just socked me. Why you trying to slap me? Look at you, papas. Look at you, Spade. Look. I freaking love him. Okay, bye guys. I know I'm not even like, the video would have been over. I'm sorry. I just had to show you guys my dog. Okay, bye, bye, bye.
It was nice like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh?